Hello, in front of me I've got GloriousModelD. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. To create macro for your mouse, firstly let's go to Glorious app and select macro editor. Now select Automatic Intercept Delay, cycle until key released or pressed, and then you can select specified cycle times. Now start macro and record the macro. Stop recording and the macro is set. Now select button you would like to assign macro to, select it from the list, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.